Benefits of pineapple. Improves digestion. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down protein and improves digestion. It can reduce bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Bromelain has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Regular pineapple intake may help reduce joint pain, arthritis symptoms, and muscle soreness, especially in older adults. Boosts immunity. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections, colds, and flu. Supports heart health. The antioxidants and fiber in pineapple help improve blood circulation, reduce bad cholesterol, and support overall heart health. Improves bone strength. Pineapple contains manganese, an important mineral for strong bones and joints, helping prevent age-related bone weakness. Supports eye health. Antioxidants in pineapple help protect the eyes and may lower the risk of age-related vision problems. Boosts energy naturally. Natural sugars and vitamins in pineapple provide quick and healthy energy without the crash of processed sugar. Supports healthy skin. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, keeping skin firm, smooth, and healthy while slowing signs of aging. How to consume. Eat fresh pineapple in moderation. Add to smoothies or fruit bowls. Best consumed after meals for digestion. Important note: too much pineapple may cause mouth irritation or stomach discomfort. People with diabetes should consume small portions due to natural sugar content.